Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the chord F major 7. F major 7, beautiful chord. So let's get started. So that's the sound of the F major 7 chord, very easy chord to learn. Similar to the F chord, but much easier to play. To play the F major 7, you place finger number 1 on string 2 of the 1st fret, and then place finger number 2 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on string number 4 of the 3rd fret, and then strum all strings but the top string. That is F major 7. Similar shape to the C, but you're moving these two fingers down one string. C major, move these two fingers down one string each. That makes a F major 7. Okay, again review. Finger number 1 goes on string 2 on the 1st fret. Finger number 2 goes on string 3 of the 2nd fret. Finger number 3 goes on string number 4 of the 3rd fret. Strum all strings but the top string. That's a beautiful F major 7 chord. Very easy chord to play. If you'd like to learn how to play other guitar chords, visit my playlist in the description below. Also, if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button. If you're not a current subscriber, be sure and subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel onto your subscription so I can easily be found. You'll also be notified when new videos have been uploaded. So I appreciate you joining today and have a great day. God bless you.